Hello, everyone. Today, we will be discussing some helpful tips for taxpayers who owe back taxes to the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS. If you find yourself in this situation, it can be stressful and overwhelming. However, there are steps you can take to address and resolve your tax debt. Let's go over some essential tips to help you navigate this challenging situation. 1. Don't ignore the problem. Ignoring notices from the IRS will only make the situation worse. It's crucial to open and read all correspondence from the IRS, as it will contain important information about your tax liability and potential deadlines. 2. File missing tax returns. If you haven't filed your required tax returns, it's important to do so. The IRS may have filed a substitute return on your behalf, which may not include all the deductions and credits you're entitled to, resulting in a higher tax liability. 3. Review your tax liability. Make sure you understand the amount you owe, including interest and penalties. If you believe the IRS has made an error, gather documentation to support your claim and contact the IRS to discuss the discrepancy. 4. Consider professional help. If you're unsure about how to handle your tax debt or feel overwhelmed, consider seeking the help of a tax professional. 5. Explore payment options. The IRS offers several options for taxpayers to resolve their tax debt, including installment agreements. You can set up a monthly payment plan with the IRS and pay off your debt over time. Offer in compromise. This option allows you to settle your tax debt for less than the full amount owed, currently not collectible. If you're experiencing extreme financial hardship, the IRS may temporarily delay collection actions until your financial situation improves. 6. Stay current on future tax obligations. While you're working to resolve your back taxes, it is essential to stay current on your future tax obligations. This includes filing your tax returns on time and paying any taxes due. 7. Avoid tax penalties. The IRS may impose penalties for failing to file a tax return or pay taxes on time. To minimize additional penalties and interest, make sure to file your tax returns and pay your taxes as soon as possible. In conclusion, if you owe back taxes to the IRS, it's essential to be proactive in addressing your tax debt. By following these tips, you can work towards resolving your tax liabilities and minimize the financial and emotional stress associated with owing back taxes.